When you think of automotive perfection, Bugatti has always been near the top of the list. But now, they've raised the bar higher than ever before. Meet the Bugatti Tourbillon, the 3.8 million pound masterpiece that isn't just a car, it's a statement. This is a machine that pushes boundaries, combining raw performance, groundbreaking engineering, and timeless design in a way no other hypercar has. The Tourbillon isn't just an evolution of the Chiron, it's a revolution. With an 8.3-liter naturally aspirated V16 paired with 3 electric motors, it produces a staggering 1,800 horsepower, sending it to mind-blowing speeds of 276 miles per hour. And yet, Bugatti's engineers haven't forgotten the soul of the car, the experience, the design, the ritual of driving a vehicle that feels alive under your hands. Stick with me, because over the next few minutes, we'll explore every corner of this hypercar, from its powertrain and performance to its engineering marvels and the design philosophy that ensures it will remain timeless. By the end, you'll see why the Tourbillon isn't just a car. You'll see why it's a legend in the making. The legacy. Chiron's successor takes the stage. Bugatti's history has always been steeped in extreme engineering and elegant design. The Chiron, which dominated the hypercar world for years, set unprecedented benchmarks in performance, luxury, and speed. But the Tourbillon? It doesn't just follow in its footsteps, it redefines the rules entirely. Unlike the Chiron, which relied on a quad-turbo W16, the Tourbillon abandons forced induction in favor of a naturally aspirated V16, almost a meter long, producing over 1,700 bhp with the help of 3 electric motors, 2 at the front and 1 at the rear. This hybrid setup ensures lightning-quick acceleration, even beyond what traditional internal combustion engines could achieve. Bugatti has listened to its most loyal customers, who say the engine sound is one of the top 3 factors in their buying decision. The Tourbillon delivers on that promise, offering an auditory experience unlike anything else on the planet. It's a car that bridges the past and the future, combining the heart of the Chiron with the innovation of the next decade. Engine and performance. A 1,800 horsepower hybrid beast. If speed is the ultimate test of engineering, the Tourbillon passes with flying colors. Its naturally aspirated 8.3-liter V16, combined with the 3 electric motors, produces 1,775 horsepower, with estimates rounding up to 1,800 bhp in total. This setup doesn't just give you numbers, it gives you an adrenaline-fueled experience that hits you in your chest the moment you push the pedal. Acceleration numbers are absurd: 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2 seconds, 0 to 125 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, and 0 to 248 miles per hour in less than 25 seconds. For comparison, the Chiron Supersport topped out at 273 miles per hour. The Tourbillon nudges past that at 276 miles per hour, leaving even the fastest hypercars in its dust. And while the numbers are staggering, the experience is more than statistics. Each gear shift, each surge of power, is carefully tuned. Bugatti's engineers had to design a cooling system capable of handling extreme heat from the V16 and hybrid motors while still keeping the car stable at nearly 280 miles per hour. Every component is optimized, every detail purposeful. This isn't just speed, it's engineering mastery in motion. Design philosophy, a timeless hypercar. The Tourbillon isn't just fast, it's visually stunning. Bugatti has resisted the temptation to follow the flashy digital trends of modern cars. Instead, they've focused on a timeless design that will remain iconic decades from now. At the front, the classic horseshoe grille is unmistakable. The car's lines flow like a sculpture, with a riveted character line inspired by vintage Bugattis. The rear features a massive diffuser, essential for stability at extreme speeds, while keeping a clean, uncluttered aesthetic. Inside, Bugatti has created a driver-focused cockpit. There's only one visible screen, hidden until needed, reflecting the philosophy that a hypercar should focus on driving rather than distraction. Every material, from aluminum and leather to crystal glass, is crafted for tactile pleasure, ensuring the interior is as much a feast for the senses as the engine is for the ears. It's modern yet nostalgic, luxurious yet functional, and designed to stand the test of time. Engineering marvels, the art of lightweight performance. Performance isn't just about power, it's about how a car interacts with the road. Bugatti has made significant innovations in construction to make the Tourbillon lighter, stronger, and more responsive. The body is carbon composite, while suspension arms are 3D printed in aluminum, cutting weight nearly in half compared to the Chiron. Every component is carefully calculated, optimized not just for strength, but for how it contributes to handling, aerodynamics, and speed stability. Even the driver's display is a masterpiece, made from 600 individual parts, including titanium, ruby, and sapphire. It weighs just 700 grams. This attention to detail isn't luxury for the sake of luxury. It's engineering that enhances the driving experience. The Tourbillon is as much about precision and craftsmanship as it is about raw speed, blending art and science in every inch of its design. The hybrid revolution. Electric power meets legendary engineering. While Bugatti's past was defined by roaring V16 engines, the Tourbillon represents the future of hypercars, hybrid performance. The 3 electric motors, 2 front, 1 rear, aren't just for show. They enhance acceleration, improve traction, and give instantaneous torque where the V16 cannot respond fast enough. This hybrid system allows the Tourbillon to react faster than any human could anticipate, making it more controllable even at the limits of physics. And yet, it still preserves the soul of a Bugatti. The roar of the V16, the visceral thrill of raw horsepower, and the connection between driver and machine. This is the perfect fusion of old and new. Bugatti hasn't abandoned its heritage, they've evolved it, blending the emotion of a naturally aspirated engine with the intelligence of modern electric propulsion. The Tourbillon isn't just a car, it's a symbol of automotive innovation. The experience, starting a legend. Driving the Tourbillon is a ritual. To start the engine, you pull out the start-stop button twice, a nod to Bugatti's historic rituals of yesteryear. It's tactile, ceremonial, and deeply satisfying. This is a car where every action has meaning, from the press of a pedal to the twist of a dial. Bugatti has avoided oversized touchscreens, instead focusing on pure driver engagement. You see the inner workings of switches, the craftsmanship of materials, the luxury of tradition meeting future technology. Even something as simple as the center console feels alive, functional, and incredibly premium. It's a reminder that this isn't just transportation, it's an experience, an emotional connection between driver and machine. Performance. Stats you need to see to believe. Numbers rarely do justice to hypercars, but the Tourbillon stats are truly jaw-dropping. 0 to 62 miles per hour, 2 seconds 0 to 125 miles per hour, under 5 seconds, 0 to 248 miles per hour, under 25 seconds, top speed, 276 miles per hour. Horsepower, 1,775 to 1,800 bhp engine, 8.3 liters naturally aspirated V16 plus 3 electric motors. And yet, it's not just about acceleration. Aerodynamics, cooling, suspension geometry, and lightweight construction make sure that these numbers translate into a usable, controllable hypercar, capable of delivering the thrill of a lifetime without compromise. Exclusivity and price, £3.8 million and counting. As if the performance and engineering weren't enough, the Tourbillon is extremely exclusive. Only 250 units will ever be made, each priced at a staggering £3.8 million, and all of them have already sold out. Owning a Tourbillon isn't just about money, it's about joining an elite club of automotive enthusiasts who understand the value of innovation, design, and performance. It's about being part of a legacy, driving a car that will likely remain iconic for decades, and sitting in a cockpit that feels both luxurious and futuristic. Why the Tourbillon matters. The Bugatti Tourbillon isn't just a hypercar, it's a statement of what's possible in automotive engineering. It combines heritage, luxury, speed, and innovation in a way few cars ever have. The V16 hybrid engine, the 3D printed components, the timeless design, it all tells a story that engineering can be art and speed can be emotion. This car proves that Bugatti isn't just chasing records, they're defining what the next generation of hypercars will look like. For car enthusiasts, it's the ultimate dream. For engineers, it's a technical marvel. And for the world, it's a reminder that the pinnacle of automotive excellence is still being reimagined. A legend in the making. The 3.8 million pound Bugatti Tourbillon is more than a car. It's a masterpiece of engineering, a symphony of power, and a work of art. With its 1,800 horsepower hybrid V16, groundbreaking aerodynamics, and timeless design, it's a car that will turn heads, break hearts, and define a generation of hypercars. If you've been waiting for the ultimate hypercar experience, the Tourbillon is the benchmark by which all future hypercars will be measured. From acceleration to design to exclusivity, every element is crafted for perfection. Bugatti hasn't just made a car, they've created a legend. So whether you dream of owning one or simply admire it from afar, the Bugatti Tourbillon is the future of automotive brilliance today. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and ring the bell for more incredible car content. Don't miss our next documentary, where we take you even closer to the fastest and most exclusive machines on the planet.